maps really are a good way to do it. Here's a mind map, and I know this one's on Biggerplate, that I've given out quite a bit. It's how to use LinkedIn more effectively, and it touches on a lot of the things that we're speaking about in this webinar. It's got a lot of play. It's one of the top 25 maps on MindJet's maps for that. And the other one that I've used, and this is even more popular, is the top 10 TED Talks. So one of the big things that I feel is that if you really want to develop your brand and really position yourself on LinkedIn, you really have to become a reporter for your industry. And in order to be a reporter, you really need to do your research. And again, this is another way that mind mapping I've found has been very valuable, a very valuable tool. The other thing I used mind mapping for is to really get an understanding of what the thought leaders are saying about my particular industry, the professionals that really shape the thought patterns and the trends in the industry. And this is a map that I generated back in 2012. I went to a water seminar, a water conference. I sat in on a panel discussion, and I mapped what each of these panelists had to say and where things were going.